Hi friends, I'm today got this reefer. It's have a function with work with 12 volt. It's a, a reefer freezer for camping. His can work with 12 volts and then on a regular plug 120 from home. The box a little bit damaged on the side and another side. But inside have a foam corner, um top and lower part covered with a foam too. And reefer is good, not have a damage. Because I see some review, he's got his reefer with damage. But mine is on a good. On a box, it's have a sign, don't flip, keep the side on up. But how it's post company work we see when check like the cipher work. It's have a space with a ventilation for a coolant compressor front and on the side, and over here we have a plug connector. On a corner we have a covers like a feet uh, hands like this. It's not flipped, stay all time, but it's okay. Top part can open on a side, and up front we have a place for a hand. Have a chain inside for top part not broken when you open. Have boards for rubber uh, put on the cover freezer on the good. I see it's some friend check on a vacuum. It's the reefer hold, not have open place when cover. It's have a space for a hinge for vertical position, but it's probably need to order with a compressor on another position because this compressor not recommended to flip. It's will be broke. Let's have a box inside right now. Open and check what's have inside. It will be wire for 12 volt and power for 120. Over here have a space like for put like a wall, but I not see this extra wall. Probably in the box, but maybe not because box it's smaller than the size. It's have a plug on the down for open and drain water when need. Right now put camera on a holder and check what we have on the box. Weight on a reefer on a grams it's 585, 58 kilo. Looks like lighter. This reefer it's 53 quarter inside. Yeah, it's have a wire and adapter. This work from car 12 volt and power adapter for 120 for home line. For Europa, it's have a adapter on 220 volts. When you order on Europa, you got adapter on 220 volts. And this manual. this instruction, like use this refer. I check what I have inside on this book. I put on a pause video and check what I have inside the manual. On manual I not find something interesting, just one what I find. It's have a 3 different model. C30, C40, it's got 65 watt, and C50, it's what I ordered, it's bigger. It's use 85 watt. It's have a bigger compression, so that's why I take a little bit more. Right now plug into valve plug and check like it work. Wire a little bit be longer, be more good. That's okay. I see some people say it's this plug-in on the side fall out. Right now I turn it to you and show. On old reefer, this plug-in just put inside. Right now it's have 2 screws and keep good. Respect for guys who make this reefer, because he's see video on this problem and fix it. It's really good. I connect plug, touch, tap panel, and reefer start work. What we have here, it's a power button. This for change temperature, -4 on Fahrenheit. It's maximum coldest. It's have a connection for Bluetooth. Interest what heatest temperature we have. 68 on Fahrenheit. It's really warm temperature. It's 20 on the Celsius. It's really warm. And -4 on Fahrenheit. It's -20 on Celsius. It's a good freezer temperature. Okay, put not really cold. 32, it's 0 on Celsius. Put near 20, 25 on the Fahrenheit. A level of power, it's show maximum, because we connect with the adapter. When I connect battery, it show voltage and level on the battery. Right now it's show high. It's a need for battery. Right now it's maximum or eco regime. How it change? Put here. No, it's change temperature. Put this bottom. Oh, when it's flash, put one more time. It's change eco or maximum. It's like engine work on eco regime or maximum. It's have a USB connector for charge your device. When you're on a campground and use your 12-volt plug and you not have extra and need more plug for connect your device for charge, you have a USB connection on a freezer. It's not big deal, but it's nice. Work it's with a low sound, not high, because some guys say it's engine work too louder. Might work it's low. You can see. It's just have sound on the fan. What called engine. Right now check what you have inside. It's warm, not have, but we just plug in. Need to wait 20 minutes and check what temperature we have. I check it with a pyrometer and have a temperature. It shows what we have inside. Right now it's 86. I work and come back with the 20 minutes. Right now we have a 59 inside. When you press this button fast, it's just for change maximum or echo boost for engine. For change high, low or medium position, need press and hold for its high flush and then press for change. What it's give? High, low, medium. It's have a like a micro chip for check what the voltage refer turn off. When you have just one battery, it's your start battery from a car, and not have somebody who helps start your engine. Put high voltage and your refer turn off when voltage not follow too low. You have more than 12 volt on a battery and your car be start. When you have a not start battery, you have two battery on your campground on a car, and you need for your refer work a little bit more before you out from your campground. Come to manual and hold, and then change on a low, and your freezer will be work a little bit more, and you have a time for a little bit more freezer work. Right now you see it's 55 temperature on the reefer. It's got 20 minutes. Right now open and check with the pyrometer what temperature we have inside. Temperature a little bit jump. It show minus 20 on Celsius, and I drop minus 4 on the Celsius. Maximum fixed it's minus 33, but it looks like something wrong. But it's on the reefer. Yeah, it's cold. It's have a side walls cold not lower part on the side. It's good. When you put something inside, it's have a round for coldest and have a good, not just lower part when your reefer be cold. Right now it's minus 14.1 on Celsius. It's good. Only 20 minutes and its freezer is empty. It's good for 20 minutes, it's coldest. When you put something inside, it's have some temperature because we take it for big freezer on some. It's really cold, this food, and reefer easy work when something have inside because not need freeze air what's have inside. Right now we check from this battery. It's a lithium polymer battery, 4 ampere hour. It's not big, really small battery. I connected this from wire connector, and right now change and give power from this battery. And check like it's work. Right now turn off, disconnect adapter plug and connect battery. Press power. 13.1 volts have right now. And we see the small battery work. It's have questions how long it's work from the small battery. It start work compressor, and we have a 12.1 volts, 1 volt lower than we have before start. It says this small battery not work too much. You can count it's 80 watt take this reefer. You can count how long this freezer work from this battery, but not long time. It's really small battery. But right now not follow down, stay on 12 volts. Okay guys, thank you for watch. You can take this reefer and use. It's work. It looks nice. First days I check it's work good. And next you can see when we go to campground, it's near end of summer, probably 2 months later. I show like it's work on the trip. Thank you for watch. Put like, write comments, subscribe and share this video to your friends. And see you again on the YouTube.